Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Google Plus logo using Adobe Illustrator CC 2018. Open Adobe Illustrator and also open Mozilla Firefox or any browser you have. Type in Google Plus logo. So let me choose a file to make it a reference. Which one is better? Okay, I think let's choose the second one. Save image as. So let me just download it on downloads folder. Save. Okay. Create new. Let's go to wave, and I think I will choose the artboard with smaller resolution. Create. Okay. Let's skip the tour. Downloads, and I will drag this image file on my artboard. Let's choose ellipse 2 and create a circle that can be resized later on. Let's fix on top of the original picture of the Google Plus logo. I think that's right. That's fine. Let's check it out. Okay, it's cool. That is workable for now. Let's put that at the side. Okay, now I want to change the color of the circle that I made just now. Let's use a color picker and make it the orange. Okay, now let's design the G character of Google using the pen tool. So in this way you can take the points wherever you want. Okay. Now it looks like the outline of G is ready. Now let's draw the inner oval of G using the ellipse tool. Now it's turn for the plus symbol. Using the pen tool, select a point, hold shift and drag it down, and similarly holding shift you can draw the straight line. So it looks like we have completed G and the plus symbol. Now let's fill it with G, with white color, and just drag it over the circle that we drew. Also that needs to be filled with the orange color. Alright, select and right on place. Similarly we also choose the white color for plus. Alright, so it's simple. I think it's okay, it's not so meticulously drawn, but it looks fine, you know. Alright, that can be adjusted. Yeah, it can be adjusted. Yeah, so it looks fine when it's zoomed out. So yeah, it looks fine.